Hi everyone, my name is Basma and this presentation is for LP5.1, a final project to close analysis prototype. A project established to develop a website that helps to sell, purchase, and store for the customers, as well as the improvement of onward in terms of its presence in the global market and its ability to promote its product. The goal was to product a good quality site without 12 defects. The final product of analysis prototype is the software and equipment required to create a website used for electronic commerce. That site can meet the demands of users through the provision of product and product generation. Overview of project close. Closing information are part of the project operation and are not less important than other operations. The stage of closing the project helps to verify the completion of the requirement in addition to document all the resources in the event of failure to achieve a task. For this is succeed, the project manager should participate in the closing phase with a stakeholder, where the process of closing the purchase includes a set of records showing the result of the procurement project and save information for the future. This stage can be complete at the end of the project at a certain stage of the project. And for close procurement, the close procurement help clarify project expense, ensure they include all clarification of contract, the change in expense and the completion of the purchase. This document help to refer back to the future and benefit from them. The goal of the closed procurement is to identify success point and failure point. This is the end of each project. So all the stakeholders in the project of analysis prototype. The customers is Christine, it's a VIP market development, and the sponsor is Dr. Smith, president, and this project supervisor and executive is O.M. Smith, it's CEO, and Lucy Stills, VP Project Office, and Richard and Michelle, it's a VIP humor. The project requirement that's included in the project chart for this project. The company needs strategy to enhance the ability and potential for sale in a global market through e-commercial equipment website. The company has budget $15,000 for development of a prototype website. The presence of software and hardware help to create an e-commerce website has the ability to develop a site that has the potential and the greater product and take order. The project must have complete the first model set within 12 weeks from the start in order to determine the success of the work. All tasks they need for this project in the project chart is task 1 system design, task 2 network design, task 3 software implementation, task 4 product documentation, task 5 system integration, task 6 customer acceptance test, and task 7 document review, and task 8 Legacy inference. Close purchasement, that is all the tasks already accomplished by this project. They do all the tasks they need in project chart, but they added the new task is task 9. It's emergency defect creation. So they added this task to approve the quality for the project. So all the employee or resources for this project that was needed is Adam, David, Omar, Sally, and Tia, and they added a new resources to complete tax 9. It's Noel, so the budget was increased. And actual cost, the earned value is $50,000, and actual cost is $16,000 for this project. Uh, and this is the final work breakdown structure for the project and all payments. Project close. The project was delivered on week 14, that is over scheduled delivery in the charter by 3 weeks later. Where the project was scheduled to be delivered in the 11th week. Delayed delivery due because of adding a new task for the project to improve the quality and deliver the project according to the agreed quality, and the number of defects less than 12 defects. This led to an increase in the budget, as the budget was estimated to $15,000 but was actually dispersed in this project is $16,000. And this is a sheet for project close. And this is the financial cost for the project. Lesson learned for this project. First, focus on providing skills resources and running them on the tasks that are within their skills, as well as dealing with the absence of employee from work, because this will affect the scheduled project and lead to delays in delivery. 2. Commitment with the budget specific in the project. Always strive to deliver the project within the specific quality and focus on the challenge of stakeholders. Conduct training course for employees in order to increase their experience and strengthen them in accomplished tasks. Active communication with the stakeholder through the life cycle of the project in order to codify all the addition for the owner of the project on the and benefit from their experience to solve quiz and the problem. So must need to add meeting in all week of the project. That be a good for communication between the project manager and all stakeholders. Manage risk. Manage risk accurately by set a preparation budget for it. In conclusion, purchasement should be closed and the project to close after the end of each project, and not ignore this process because they are consider the success of the case of the success of the project. Close the purchasement in order to ensure the completion of all purchasement for the project and the ability to refer to it in the future and addition to ensure the final result and determine the final budget of this project. Thank you for listening.